Greetings from Lagos, Nigeria. Hi, my name is Ibrahim Suleiman.
My name is Joseph Aderoju.
My name is Ayo Oyeku.
My name is Toyin Onibanjo.
My name is Maji Aida with the Hit Squad.
My name is Farida Ladipa.
My name is Nana Ochiche.
My name is Craig Heaton.
Hello, my name is Olayede Juliana.
My name is Adiola Ize.
My name is Tundela Oshlari.
My name is Sizahi Anuge.
My name is Bowale Agbaze.
Hello, my name is Olubumi Abodere Talabi, and I am going to be at the 2021 Akada Children's Book Festival.
Akada Children's Book Festival. I would love to see you there.
Akada Children's Book Festival.
The Akada Children's Book Festival.
Akada Children's Book Festival.
Akada Children's Book Festival.
Join me and other amazing authors at the festival.
It's going to be loads of fun. Stories, authors, you can't miss out.
July 1st to the 3rd, 2021.
So I want you to go ahead and register at akadafestival.org.
akadafestival.org.
akadafestival.org.